Hello guys, today I'll be comparing Groundfloor versus Fundrise. I'll be going through their strengths and watch to the end to know which is ideal for you. Groundfloor and Fundrise are both real estate crowdfunding platforms offering accessible entry points to real estate investing for non-accredited investors. Groundfloor focuses on short-term high-yield debt investments in residential real estate projects with a low minimum of $10. Investors lend money to borrowers for fix and flip projects earning interest. Fundrise conversely offers investments in a portfolio of real estate properties through ERIT's Electronic Real Estate Investment Trust, with a minimum investment also starting at $10. Their strategy leans towards long-term equity investments in commercial and residential properties, aiming for returns through appreciation and dividends. Choosing between them depends on your investment strategy. Groundfloor offers potentially higher short-term returns with more direct control over individual loans, but carries default risks. Fundrise provides diversification across multiple properties with a more hands-off approach, but investments are less liquid and potentially early withdrawal penalties. So I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.